Hello and welcome. It looks like the winter is giving up, finally. It's still quite chilly, but it's nothing compared to what it was a few days ago. We've got some major things coming up. As for today, there is something big to do, and it is to take this piece of land and kind of dig it up, get the grass out, and lay the tiles, concrete blocks, to expand the garage, to make it like longer in this section. When it rains, it's really getting really muddy in here. It's a pain to get in the car, it's a pain to drive the car out. So we're gonna solve that and make the space required to make the garage bigger. Let's get to it. There you have it. That's done, basically. Stable, looks alright. We're gonna see when it rains how it's gonna sit, because some of it is gonna sink deeper, some of it is gonna stay higher. So that's that for now. Next time we're gonna get the frame. Hello, another day. It's really cold, but there's a lot of things to do, so let's just get right into it. it's another day. I didn't record much, but there's been some massive progress. Yeah. So, let me show you how it looks like. So the frame's basically done. The frame that you saw yesterday has been turned around. These bars, which are here and here, were welded to the construction when it was lying. Then with some help I got it out, welded here and there, and then there were these bars. They were cut to fit, they were welded. Now it is basically ready for the walls. So, massive progress. Let's get to it. Let's see how much we can do today. I cannot do the roof because I don't have the metal that's proper, not thickness, but those ridges have this shape that's specific for the roof, not the walls, because you may see it. It's really big. The thickness of the steel is the same, but the ridges are like 14 millimeters, 15 millimeters, something like that, 17 maybe, and these are like 7. So this is no good for the roof, especially when you consider the snow or anything else that can be heavy. Yeah, let's get to that. Hello, another day, another morning. Actually, first morning since doing this, but another chance to look how that is. Right? Yeah, so you can see. So I really need to get an idea, because it probably should be more like this. But then again, if I go more like this, I have to cut a bit of the top, yeah, like that. That's okay. But then this fits perfectly in the line, because now it's sticking out by quite a lot. But that probably gonna mean there's gonna be a hole here if that moves like that. I need to measure it again. I need to take it off, measure it, measure the garage, and do whatever I can. Yep, let's get to it. Hello. The progress is huge. I haven't recorded much in the last few days, but aside from this wall, there is a second wall here. There's the roof. The roof is fully secured. The walls are secured just not to fall off, but we need to work on that today. This piece is not ready yet because I haven't made up my mind if I want to go for steel or if I want to go for some plexiglass for more light. We'll see, we'll think about it. The plan for today is quite simple. We are going to secure the walls to the construction on both sides, the walls to itself because the sheets are not secured fully yet. We'll see what then. Let's get to it. Okay, the walls are secured. It's getting dark already. It's crazy. The next thing I wanted to do is use these blocks to move them here, to like extend those stripes to get to the garage, but I don't know if and how I want to do it, and it's getting dark, so I'm not starting that now. I am, however, starting another thing. That's gonna be a table. Trust me.